welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I got this beautiful glueless install. If you want to see how I install this wig, keep on watching. Thank you. So this video is sponsored by Luvmehair. They sent me over this 13x4 orange gender frontal wig, and right now I'm just showing you guys what comes in the box, like the regular schmegular. So the wig came with this orange ginger color. I didn't have to bleach it, dye it, or nothing. All I had to do was pluck it. And I'm gonna insert a picture to see exactly how it looks like on the website, just in case you want to purchase it. So if I sound horrible, it's because I'm sick. I have a cold, and yeah. I was gonna do a voiceover, but I know it's gonna sound crazy because I already sound crazy. So today we're gonna do a glueless install with this orange hair. It's Halloween, so that's why I'm wearing this. Okay. I'm gonna be using this spray. Like, it's all over TikTok, and my friend Kat, she got me some. So yeah. First, let me try the wig on because I might have to take these off because I don't like installing my wig with these on, so I might have to take it off. If you're like me and your wigs never fit your head for some reason, because my head is big as fuck. Yeah, see, like, it doesn't come down all the way. I might not take it off. Yeah. Do you see this? I don't even have the powder on it yet, and it's giving what it's supposed to give. Barely. I don't hate this. Anyways, so I'm gonna take it off. So first, I'm gonna cut this little piece in the back. I don't like installing my wigs with them. Put it on. So now I'm gonna go ahead with some powder and put some powder inside it. So after I put the powder inside, I like to put some on the outside too because I think it helps a lot. So after I put the powder inside, I like to go in with my Got2b glue and then spray some to make sure that it stays. I always cut my lace first before I put it on. Like, some people like apply the wigs and then like cut the lace. I was like, oh, I can't do that. Like, I have to cut the lace first. If I don't cut the lace first, my install is gonna be trash. So with that being said, I'm gonna put it on the head because, you know, and then I use this to cut my lace, by the way. So now that we cut the lace, I cut the lace off, and then I like, yeah. So I'm gonna put it on and see if it's giving what it's supposed to give. Oh, okay. Okay, I don't hate it at all. Why is this thing looking like it's melted, even though I didn't melt it yet? Like, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Baby hair or no baby hair? No baby hair. So then now I'm gonna go in with this. I'm gonna spray it around, and then I'm gonna tie it down with my band so we can melt it since we're doing glueless. Anyway, so now we're gonna spray it. Bro, you know what? This is my hair. Like two little hair in the front, and style it back. Oh, that's cute. Yeah. Okay. Anyways. And I didn't put too much of the spray only because I know I'm not gonna keep it on for that long, and I feel like the longer you're gonna keep your install on, the more spray you put. And that spray is good. So if you want glueless and you know you're gonna keep it on for longer, put more layers. Anyways, period. I feel like this is not even the middle of my head. Let me try to fix it. I think this is the middle of my head. Yep, I think so. This looks more like the middle. Bless me. Thank you. Big blot. So should we keep the middle part or should we do the side part? What do you guys think? I don't think there's anything more to do to it because baby, I'm basically done. That was mad easy because I'm not doing no baby hair. I don't want any baby hair. Or maybe I should do some. I don't know. I don't really want any. Like, can I do a close up of the what lace? What lace, bro? Tell me what lace. Yeah. Use my code. It's gonna be down below. Dolphin Effect, and then get you 20% off. That could work. Oh, I think the hair is really soft, like for real. It came already that color. I didn't have to bleach it or nothing. Like the most I had to do to it was pluck it, and it was a very easy install. And I think you guys should get the hair, like especially Halloween is coming up. What? You're gonna look fire, like start on these bitches. You feel me? Like. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.